Hi friends, welcome to Interview Preparation channel. In this video, we will understand the most important interview questions, the difference between method hiding and method overriding. So let's check method hiding first. In method hiding, the derived class defines a method with the same name as a method in its base class, and hides the base class method. Also, we need to use the new keyword in the derived class method declaration. Let's understand with an example. In this example, we have a base class with a name base class. This base class has a method display. Here derived class is extending base class and providing a new implementation of display method with new keyword. Now let's go through the execution step by step. In the main method, we are creating an instance of base class and derived class and calling display method on that. Now here you have to understand which method will be called base class or derived class. So first case is, when we will invoke display method with instance of base class, then base class display method will be called. Second case is, when we will invoke display method with instance of derived class, then derived class display method will be called. And third case is, when it creates an instance of derived class called derived as base, but it is stored in a variable of type base class. It invokes the display method of the base class. This happens because the variable type is base class, and method hiding doesn't apply when called through a base class reference. We need to use the new keyword in the derived class method declaration to hide the base class method. Friends, interviewer might ask real-life example where method hiding can be used. So, when we have to deal with legacy code where we may encounter base class methods that we want to modify or extend, that time, method hiding provides a way to introduce new methods in the derived class without changing the base class implementation. Let's check method overriding now. In method overriding, we create a method in the derived class that has the same name, same parameters or signature and the same return type as a method in its base class. But don't forget to use the override keyword in the derived class method declaration. Let's understand with an example. In this example, we have a base class shape with a method draw. The derived class circle overrides the draw method using the override keyword and provides its own implementation. Please remember, the method which needs to be overridden should have virtual keyword in method declaration in base class. Let's understand execution step by step. First case is, when we will invoke draw method with instance of base class, then base class draw method will be called. Second case is, when we will invoke draw method with instance of derived class, then derived class draw method will be called. And third case is, when it creates an instance of derived class, but it is stored in a variable of type base class. It invokes the draw method of the derived class. Interview might ask real-life example for method overriding, so you can answer when we have to deal with banking system, we can use method overriding. For example, in banking system, bank is a class that provides functionality to get the rate of interest. However, the rate of interest varies according to banks. For example, SBI, ICICI and Axis banks could provide 8%, 7%, and 9% rate of interest. If you found the video valuable, we encourage you to subscribe, like, comment, and share. By subscribing, you will stay updated with our latest uploads and never miss out on new content that can benefit